Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create Luma AI video. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser and search for Luma AI. This will take you to the official Luma AI website. Here, click on the Try Now button at the top right corner. This will redirect you to the Luma AI video generation webpage. Here, you can simply enter the prompt of your choice or select one of the suggested prompts. Once you've entered the prompt, click on the Generate button and wait for the video to be created. Luma AI will then generate a set of videos based on your prompt. You can browse through the generated videos and select the one that you like the most. Luma AI's AI-powered video generation capabilities allow you to create high-quality, unique videos with just a simple text prompt. So that's basically how you can create Luma AI video. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.